हैप्पी होली। हमारा एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा रहा इस फेस्ट का, जिसने भी ऑर्गेनाइज किया था बहुत अच्छा था। इट वॉज वेरी लाइव एंड बियॉन्ड एक्सपेक्टेशन। इट वॉज ग्रेट, वी एंजॉयड अ लॉट and it was full of colors and lively vibes we got here. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am Palak Lakhani and we organized this Frankfurt Holi 2024 today on 6th April, and it was a grand event. It was really big. We had almost 900 plus participants in this event, and we would like to thank all of you for the wonderful support, and we wish that we organize many such events with your support in the near future. We have many events in pipeline. We are planning to organize Summerfest and a big concert for all of you. So keep supporting us, and thank you so much once again for making this event a huge success.
I'm Dr. Yosna Jain, co-founder and managing director at IGK Indo-German Center. IGK is not just a company, but I would say it's an effort, a humble effort of social entrepreneurship. It has multifaceted objectives. So one is that people who want to explore Germany for study, for job, to provide them with a platform, with the guidance to do so and help them go through the maze of German bureaucracy. And the second and the most exciting one, because of which we are here today, is to recreate the feeling of home away from home for the Indians through our festivals. And what is a better occasion than Holi? And not only for Indians, but to showcase the Indian culture and the Indian festivals to broader audience. And Holi is the best occasion for that. So today we organized a Holi event, and it was a huge success. It is still going on. The party is on. We got almost more than 1,000 people who attended the event, and everybody appreciated. There was food and colors and good music and DJ and Holi. So our efforts will be to recreate such moments for our German friends, our non-Indian friends, our Indian friends here in Germany and in Europe.